Hi, my name is Christine Holmes. I'm the SIGGRAPH 2015 Student Volunteer Program Chair. Student volunteer training is definitely a very busy time of the conference. We get here days before and we prep our team leaders, our student volunteers, so that they can best help all of the attendees at the conference. One of my professors actually recommended that I look into the student volunteer program, and I did, and I got accepted that year that I applied, and ever since I've taken on more leadership roles moving forward, and now I'm SV Chair. As you're walking through the conference and attending all of the events, if you have any questions, feel free to stop a student volunteer or one of the team leaders. They will be in orange and/or teal shirts, and feel free to ask them questions. They should be able to help you find what you're looking for. So new for 2015, we will be bringing back the XSV program, where if you are still wanting to be involved with SIGGRAPH but you no longer qualify for the student volunteer program, definitely feel free to stop me and ask me questions. We will start taking applications starting this week.